Welcome! Now I got Google Pixel 6 Pro, and now I'm showing how to customize Quick Launch on this device. So firstly, open your settings and go into system option, this one. Then go into gangsters, and now we got all our Quick Launch options in this option. So first option is Quick Tap. On the bottom of the device and another side we got Google emblems icon of this phone, so you can choose, for example, if you double tap for this icon, take a screenshot, for example, or access or see recent apps, or open app if you want, and another option. So go back. The second option is quickly open camera. If you double press the power key, camera is open. So now I got turn on this option, this position, it's turn off this option, and another option. So go back. Now we got flip camera to for selfie. If you into Google camera and double press the power key, camera switch to selfie camera and to back camera. Go back. Then we got system navigation panel and another option to flip or something like that. So, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.